Okay, guys, I just want to do another really short one because, you know, just because I can. I want to show you the difference between a straw and the airbrush because the last time I had a lot of comments of people asking me about the airbrush. The thing is that you can buy the cheapest airbrush there is. There's no problem with that. And you can even use canned air. That one, it's almost the same. But I'm going to layer a couple of colors. And then I'm going to do the same that I did with the straw. But now with the airbrush. So I'm going to put it directly above because I want it to blow down. See that? That's sort of the same as with the straw. And I'll get you in close. I think I like the straw better. So let me get you back down here. I think I like the straw better. Let's just do something to this. Yeah, that's not like really beautiful. So I'm going to try that one more time. Only a couple of different colors this time. Going to pile on the turquoise and also the green. And then put the white on top for the effect. And then do it again. Ooh, I like those colors. This time I swirled it around just a little bit. Let's see, get in close. Well, it's kind of interesting. That is kind of interesting. So we're going to keep that one too. And then one last one, if my iPad will go back to the same color. I don't think it will. Let's see. Yeah, now it is. Because I still have some paint, don't want to throw it away. So I'm going to do that. Splash in a little bit of that. Maybe a little blue because we didn't use the blue yet. And then this one. Okie dokie. This time I'm going to blow it just a little bit up and down. Ooh, that is pretty. You know, just for some different colors. Nah. Usually I don't like it when it has too much color. I'm not a real fan of too much colors in it. Where's my little palette knife? I lost it. Don't know where I got it. I really lost my palette knife. Okay. Still got another one though. A little bit smaller one. There are some interesting bits in it, but I think it's a little bit of a mess. So I'm going to swipe it. Just do some swiping. That bit I really like. That is really pretty. But I'm not sure that's enough for a pendant though. So I'm gonna make it move a little bit. Now it's a little bit bigger. We'll just keep it, you never know. Okay guys, thanks for watching. iPad is going berserk, so I'll be back when I fix it. Laters!